Hello and welcome to this video. I'll show you my gun. It's very big and very hard to reload. Yeah, see? Now I'm gonna show you how to reload this. Okay? Oh wait a second. Yeah. Now I'll take this, and you also need, where the hell is that? There. This. This is the ammo, and now I'm gonna show you. Gonna take this, drag it backwards. You must open there, and look, that's gonna go down there. Okay, I'm gonna show you. And then you're gonna put, that I talk about. Yeah, that you're gonna fit there. You put that there, and now you can put these. Shit. So then you're gonna close that. And when you're going to fire it, you're gonna drag out this. Oh, wait a second. Yeah. It's very heavy fire. I'm gonna show you. Drag this out, and it's fire. Yeah. And this